Webtacular allows you to build and launch a full website in less than 3 minutes. One of the best things about making a website with Webtacular is that the website you create comes with a powerful content management system. That means that you and your clients will be able to log in and easily make changes and edits to the website yourself. I'm going to show you just how easy that is to do. If you've already created a website with Webtacular, you can just go up here, click the login button, and type in your username. Now here we are on the account overview page. It gives some basic information about our account, but in this case we want to go take a look at the website, so we're going to click the website button. It shows here that we have 3 websites we've already set up on my account. Now in this case I'm interested in the Zen Sushi website. You'll notice that I can click right here and it'll take me straight to the website. Now on this particular website they've chosen just to use a temporary domain name because they haven't purchased a domain name yet. But if they wanted to, they could go to GoDaddy or Network Solutions or wherever they'd like and buy a domain name and plug it in here and it'll work just fine. They can have any domain name they want. In this case they're just using a temporary one for right now. Now if I wanted to, I could click here to go to the website, or if I click the login button I can type in my Webtacular password. It takes me straight to the website and logs me in as the admin. Now I could have also just typed in the address of the website up here in the browser and clicked the login button and it would have done the exact same thing. Now when we're logged in as the admin, you'll notice there's a black bar at the top. This is what lets us control everything on the website. We call it the content management bar. Also when we're logged in, these gray boxes will appear on many places on the website with an edit button. Wherever you see that, you just click the edit button to edit the content below. So if you want to change your website, just surf around the different pages on your site, and when you see an edit button, just click it and you can change things. Let's go ahead and check that out. You'll notice it looks a lot like we're writing an email in an email program or possibly in a word processing program. You have this bar at the top for things like bold and italics and underline. We can control things like if I want to change the font here, I can choose different fonts. I can adjust the font size. There's even a way I can choose different colors of fonts right here. Not only that, there's a button where I could stick in a link to another web page. I can click this button to add or upload photos. I can insert Flash, Google Maps, all kinds of things. Now if I just go ahead and type some changes here, I can scroll to the bottom and you'll notice there's a button that says Save, which would instantly publish my changes live on the website. Also below that it says Roll back to your previous version. What that means is that every time you save changes to a page, it keeps a copy of the previous version of that page so you can go back to it. So you'll see by saving it, it's gone ahead and published my changes live right now on the website. So let's take a look at some other things you can do. I'm going to show you how to make a new page. Now if we go up here and we click on the dashboard button, the dashboard is sort of like your admin homepage for your website. Right now it's tying into Google Analytics to show the traffic statistics for this website. Also on the left hand side we have a menu where it talks about we can add pages, we can add more links to the menu, we can create forms, create calendars, create photo galleries, all kinds of things. We can also create different users and let certain users have permission to edit different parts of the website. Maybe some users can only visit the website and can't edit anything. Or we can even create secure areas of the website that only certain users can get to. It's pretty powerful. But for now I'm going to go ahead and create a new page. I'm going to click on your pages. And it shows a list of the pages we already have, but I want to make a new one. So I'll click on Add Page. Now what I'm typing right here says page title. This will be the actual title that appears as the title tag in the browser. Below that it says friendly URL. This is the literal name of the physical page we're going to create. So I could type in anything I wanted here, or if I click this little button, it'll copy what's up there above. Now here we have a lot of different settings to control what's going on at the website. Even below here I can click this little tab and it'll expand. We can control things like keywords and descriptions and things like that. There's an area for security where I can set up different groups of users to give them permission to access different parts of the website and create a secure area of the website if I want to. We're going to go ahead and just hit the Save button. Now we've created the page and it lets me type in some content. If I scroll to the bottom I can hit Save. And there we are, we've created a new page. At the top you'll notice that my title tag is exactly what I typed in, and it created the exact physical page name of what I typed in also. And I could have made these separate if I wanted to. And that's one thing that's really powerful about Webtacular is this is not a dynamically generated URL. It literally created a flat page. So you have a physical file. It doesn't need to be regenerated every time you come to the website. Now you'll notice though that the page I created didn't show up here in the menu. That's because Webtacular lets you control the menu separately. So I can go up here and click on Menu, and it shows me a list of all the different menu links we already have. One thing that's neat is I can grab this little green handle here. If I want to change the order, I can drag them around like this and put them up there. And just by hitting save, it would reorder them and rebuild the menu. So when I look at the website, that's the order they'd be in. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and add a new menu item. Now right here it says, are you sure you want to not save your changes? We're going to say that's okay. We don't care about saving our changes. We'll say my new page. And here I have the option. I can link to an external page on this website. I could link out to a different page on a different website in a new blank window using a target tag. Or I could link to an external page using the same window, or I could make just a folder in case maybe I want to do a drop down or something. And if I choose any of the external ones, I can type in anything I wanted for my website address. But in this case, I want to link to a page on this website, so I choose internal, I click on that button, it gives me a list of our pages, and I'll click on that one, and I just hit save. Now it's added this to our menu, and I can drag it down to wherever I want it to be, and just hit save. It says menu saved. Let's go ahead and take a look at the website and see how it looks. But before we go over there, there's one thing I'd like to show you is these little blue arrows. If I have this item right here, I could click on the blue arrow and nudge it over, and it's made it a drop-down menu from this home page. But I'm going to go ahead and put that back there, and we're going to go ahead and save, and take a look at the website. You'll see there it is, the new link I've added that goes to the page I created. So as you can see, using Webtacular is pretty simple, but it gives you a lot of power and control over your website.